Hey guys, I'm showing you this Kikidex Toddlers Toy Age. This is a magnetic drawing board for the toddler girls and toys for 1 to 2 year old, but I think it can be used by anyone. Doodle board pad for learning and educational toy. So as you can see, this comes with this 4 legs. So this one is nice that in spite of writing anywhere, the kids can easily write on it. And there is a 3-in-1. I will show you like the shape and the size or the position that you can make from these. This is the manual, describe everything about this product. So the thing is, there is no pinching and slide smoothly. There is like soft and ergonomic handle as well. This is the magnetic pen or round edge and soft curve for this one. So this will not go, and there's a no scratching and smooth back. So as you can see, this writes really well in the magnetic, and this is colored one. So there are 4 colors in this on the each side. And from the back you can see it can be handled easily. This is the smooth curves, and it can also be used by kid to sit on it. So this is really nice. It can hold weight of the kids. So, and then if you take these 2 legs, it can be a tilted position or inclined position, and you can use it like this. And if you remove the all 4 legs, it can be just a magnetic board, like a flat. So this can hold up to 120 pounds of the weight. So I can show you that one. And yep, this is very pretty easy, smooth, handy, and really nice for the kids to use. Lightweight. So as you can see, my kid is liking this one. They're trying to write on it. So you can write like easily with this pen. With the inclined position, it's better for the drawing and learning things. So he's able to just clean it up, and it's pretty smooth, no pinching. And this one is the other position that you can see. So with the table position, it's able to draw as well as like do other things. So he's able to sit perfectly on it and no issue with the breaking or anything. It's really a nice one.